Today I'm going to try Unity again, but I'm going to make a 2D game. I have 30 days to make a game. I have not used Unity in a long while, so this will be a challenge. First of all, I have to name the project. I called it Ocean Deep Dive. Now let's create this project, and now we wait. First, you start off in an ocean. You're a submarine, and you have to try getting to the bottom of the ocean. You blast monsters and obstacles that come in your way, and when you reach the bottom, you win. Alright, I'm going to need a beach image so I can maybe download this. Need some beach sounds. So first I have to start working on the main menu of my game. That's where people will be starting off, and that'll give a first impression. Alright, I just added scene transitions and stuff like that. So when I click this, it transitions using kind of like a wave thing. And this is where the game's gonna be, even though I've not made any actual gameplay. Okay, so I am renaming my game to Subcaves, just because I think it sounds better that way. So I'm gonna have to make a new logo, and then I am going to work on other stuff. There's so much to do with so little time right now. Help me. So, I'm working on my prototype for the submarine. Because if I don't make a prototype, then I won't know what I'm doing when I'm making the submarine. Unless I just get a random image off the internet. Which I definitely will not. At least the submarine movement works. That's a W. A bonus, you know. You might remember that I suck at art, so I'm gonna get somebody to help me. This is a good image, but it's not what I'm looking for, so I'm gonna have to get somebody else to do it. I'm gonna give the workload over to my brother. He's going to show you what he made at the end of the day. One eternity later.
I made a background, my brother put it in, and you can move around and it scrolls down.
Now I must add a worthy foe. A challenge! Litter! Nobody likes litter, and a lot of it ends up in the ocean. So I'm going to be adding it as a challenge to the player in the game. I'm also going to be adding coral, and I'm also going to be adding enemy submarines as challenges to the player also. Alright, this is what we have so far. So if I click play, and then, alright, it does this nice scrolling. I don't know if you can hear, but it has like a beach sounds in the background. I press start. It does like a nice transition. And now, when the submarine isn't moving, it's going up. And now it moves. And there's also coral on the bottom that's waving to make it look a little bit more like coral. But yeah, that's what I got so far. So right now I'm screenshotting all the pictures of litter so I can put them into my game. One down, 9 to go. Alright, so in the game I just need to make a new game object and call it spawner. Alright, so now I'm gonna make it start spawning in the items to make /litter to make it look something like this. Alright, so let's just add a new script. Alright, so I think I should have the item spawner working, so if I just press play. Oh, alright, since that didn't work, I'm gonna just be asking ChatGPT for help. Oh, wow. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1, go. Please, ChatGPT. Please. Wait, there's no actual way. Wait, hold it. It actually spawns them in, and it goes up. And it works. Let's go. Every single one of them. 1, 2, 3, the moment of truth. I have no idea if it just broke it or not, but please work. None of them are moving up. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, hold up. There's no actual way. Look at the game. Yo, this looks sick. Now it actually spawns them randomly. And it looks way better. All thanks to all thanks to my beautiful code. Maybe I should make some of the objects bigger, and then I need to make it so that if you go bang into one of them, then you go kaboom and go goodbye. Anyways, let's get into that. Alright guys, I just stayed up late and finished the game, so it's done. To build up some suspense and to add a few extra features, I decided that I will post a reveal video of gameplay coming out on the 27th of December in 2024. Subscribe and make sure you don't miss it.